Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Twitch account permanently. So you watch a lot of gameplays and streams on Twitch. You created a Twitch account for that. You might be a streamer as well, but now for some reason you want to delete that Twitch account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Twitch account in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you have to do in order to delete a Twitch account is open a browser and go to twitch.tv. Once you go to twitch.tv, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you'll land on an interface like this. From here, what you have to do is tap on the account icon on the top right corner. Then go into your settings from the drop down menu. Once you go into your settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Here, from the profile section, scroll down. When you get to the bottom of your page, you'll see an option labeled as disable your Twitch account. So to disable your Twitch account, what you want to do is tap on this option labeled as disable account. Once you do that, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll have the account to disable and your username. Then if you want, you can tell Twitch why you want to delete your account. If not, what you can do is tap on disable account button. Once you tap on the disable account button, your account will be successfully disabled. So that was the simple steps in order to delete or disable your Twitch account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.